Hi everyone, welcome back to a personal portfolio web application build with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to display all users from database and show it in table. So, let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to make this link workable. When we click on this link or visit our /admin/users, we need to be redirected to the user's listing page. But here, as you can see, we are redirected to the not found page, which means we haven't created this listing user page. So we'll create it by first go on root in web.php file. Over here, add a root which will handle get a request to /admin/users. Called the user controller. The function will be index and the root name will be admin.users.index. We haven't created this user controller, so let's create it by open the terminal and run php artisan make controller. Add the name of our controller located in our admin folder. Alright. Now let's go back in our web.php file. Over here, import this user controller. Okay. Now what you are going to do is to import to create this index function in our user controller. So let's go in our user controller. Over here, create a function called index, which we're going to return the view index from our admin users directory. Now let's create our index view on admin.users directory. Go on resources, on views, on admin, create a folder called users. In users folder, create a file called index.blade.php. Within, we are going to extend layouts.admin.base, add a session content, and add a title, hello. Now when we visit our /admin/users path, we are redirected to our users listing page. As you can see, our hello message is here. Now what we are going to do is to add a design template. So we'll go on Fabric, on templates, on backend, in user.html. We'll copy this session and go in our index.blade.php, located on resources, on views, on admin, on users directory. Remove this hello message and paste our design. Alright, now you see our design template is here. Now what we are going to do is just to add some column to our user model, because we have already created a user migration when we create our project. So we'll go in our terminal, clear result, and run php artisan make migration. Add a column, for example bio, to our user table. All right, we'll go on migration, see our migration we've just created. Over here, we are going to add our column, which is a text bio, and this one will be needable. We'll copy this and paste over here. All right, now what we are going to do is just to run the migration with PHP artisan migrate. Our migration has been created, so let's check it out. What will appear in our database.sqlite under user. As you can see, our column is here. So let's use the same logic and add another columns. PHP artisan make migration, add image to our users table. Our migration is created. Let's go on migration. Under our migration we just created, add a table, string, image, which will be needable. All right, now let's run the migration with PHP artisan migrate. All right, now what we are going to do is just to seeding our user table by run PHP artisan make seeder, add the name of our seed, which is user seeder. All right, so let's go in our seeder we've just created. On database, on seeders, in user seeder, we are going to add a test user. So let's use db table users, insert our test user, the name for example will be John Doe, email will be admin.gmail.com, add our password. Here we are going to use a edge object which will encrypt our password. Don't forget to import these objects. And then don't forget to import this db object. All right. Now what we are going to do is just to add our user seeder into our database. Seeders, over here, add user seeder, and don't forget to import this user seeder. So now let's run our seeders by using PHP artisan make db seed, and add the class user seeder. Our seed is generated. Let's check it out in our database under user table, and here they are. All right. Now what we are going to do is to fetch all users from database and show it in this table. So we'll do that by going on user controller. Over here, create a variable users, which will get all users ordered by ID, descending, okay. Forget to import this user from model. Alright, now we are going to passing this user variable to our index page by using compact. Alright, so we'll go on resources, on views, on admin, on users in index.blade.php. Over here, we are going to add a loop for each. Add variable users as users. Move this table into our loop. Over here, add a condition. If the user image is exist, show the image from images folder. Otherwise, show the image from template assets images directory. Alright. Over here, let's add our user's name. And over here, I just want to add an email. So let's add a user email over here. Alright, now you see are here in our user listing page. So that is all about of this tutorial. In upcoming video, we are going to see how to create a new user. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep going. Thank you for watching.